now is Q, and Q is the man who, for more than a decade, now coming up on a decade and a half, has been going to the funeral, the memorial services of every single fallen service member to document those, to provide special photos to the family, and to document them for the rest of us. Q, you're ready for the memorial services on Monday for our most recent loss.
Yes, I am. Thank you for taking my call, Lois. I'd like to start off by reading you an email I sent you this morning, since I seem to write better than talk. On my way home, I was channel flipping and accidentally stumbled on a show on your station at about 9:25. I just needed to listen for a couple of seconds to realize what was going on and flipped away. Apparently, somebody said something about the freak show coming to town to protest. The freak show threatens to be at all the services. They post it online and sometimes over the phone even apply for permits because they're cheap and get everybody riled up. You know, they are a form of terrorist. What teased me off the most, though, that the community is not being called out to honor this hero and show support for the family. No, they're being called out because a freak show may show up. Why are people still even mentioning their names? If our heroes had even 1/10 of the attention the freaks get. If you're come out to honor this hero and gave his all for our country, and come to show you support and thanks to the family and friends. As a grateful American, what other excuse should you need to be there?
Very well put.
Army Specialist John Pelham. He was killed in Kapisa Province, Afghanistan, serving our country, and it should affect all of us in every state, in every city. And his service is going to be this Monday, and it's open to the public on the 24th. You know, if you can, please come out and say thank you. Take a few minutes to say thank you to someone that's out there protecting your Constitution, someone that's out there protecting your rights, our country. You know, I mean, a lot of people are not directly affected on it because everybody takes freedom for granted. But, you know, we've got men and women serving every day, putting their lives out there for us.
You're absolutely right, Q, and I appreciate your comments. Thank you for the call, and I think you were right. You know the freak show he's talking about, and I know why he's avoiding saying their names. I don't like them getting attention either. Let's go to Rick.